Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Ryan, and today we are What?
We can't even move our screen. That's the weird part about today's episode.
I can move my screen. Hey y'all guys, from my last video, I look totally different. And we in a pizza place with laser guns. Oh, I'm blue. Why did someone kill me? Why did you kill me?
I didn't.
I hate you for that. I hate you freaking. I hate you freaking.
Stop that.
Thank you.
Some people don't know what they're messing with.
You know you're on video, right?
Yeah.
I'm recording you and everything you are doing. Even when you're blowing your boogers. I need to go get my diamonds. I'm just running in the cage. My diamond. Wait, okay, let's follow each other for some diamonds so we can get some diamonds together. Where'd you go, Sandwich Eater? Sandwich Eater. I want to press the button. Pressing. I want to press the button. Let me press it.
I pressed the button. Wait, get on the platform.
I'm on the platform.
All those people climbed up the log.
Start. I'm gonna get a coin. I got a coin.
Start.
Run. I'm running into this tongue. Wee.
Woohoo!
As y'all know, my face is literally so pink. Just look how pink my face is.
A diamond.
Oh my god.
Money.
We just fell. Everyone.
Mine.
If you complete it, you fall out the world.
I want to fall.
You fly out the world.
I flew out the world right in the middle of his tongue.
I wanna play. I wanna do it. I wanna do it. Spam click the button. A diamond. My diamond. As I know I'm making this noise like this. So what is 47? Are you gonna give us 47 deaths? I bet. Okay, cause it's a lie. Hey, I'm smart. I stayed away. I don't.
Oh.
Yay! I dodged them. I'm a super dodger.
Delivery for pizza. I have to go to the red house.
I have to go to the pink. I did it.
Me too.
As y'all know, from me and my little cousin look different from our previous video. So I changed my character. I bought some earbuds. I got the Among Us, the cat around my neck, the rainbow mask, the flame aura around my neck and my waist.
Yeah, because we've been buying a lot of stuff.
And then I have my gamer wings.
I run away from
my god,
the
there's a freaking tornado. Dude, you take fall damage. Get up. I didn't take any fall damage. Oh my god, this thing just flew me into the air. And then just like...
A tornado storm.
Dang, I'm just flying. It's fun.
A tornado storm. It's a tornado storm.
It's actually really fun doing that.
It's a tornado storm.
Hey, don't cut the cake. The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. Stay away from the tornado. I'm gonna run into the tornado. You don't stand a chance against me. Apparently almost
tornado storm. That's a tornado
run into
storm.
it. It's fun. Man, get up. I want to go in the tornado.
No, call it tornado storm. A tornado storm.
Tornado, and stop acting like a baby.
Tornado storm.
It's a tornado, Malachi.
I'll just call it a tornado. Whoa!
Whoa, kill galaxy. No. Oh, cool. Button pressing. I'm sorry about this bad vision. It's just I'm pressing the button so many times you can't even see me. Finally, we're back to our normal selves. Oh my god, the second I joined in, I just flew out the map.
You're just flying out the map.
I don't like it. I don't want to.
Oh, I gotta go closer to the diamond. Do not.
Got to put this oxygen to the oxygen stop skin.
I
As
got
y'all
so
know,
much stuff. I got so much diamond.
no, don't. That's just. Okay, he went in the stew and now he got a big boy. He got big boy head. That's why he got a big brain. That's why he got a big brain under
I got a
that.
big brain to hold all my brain juice.
Is that even possible? He's got a big brain under that big mop head. He's a mop head. Wee, I'm in a tornado. I never thought I'd be in a tornado in Roblox. We were in a tornado in Roblox.
Hey, do you want to play some high school? Oh boy,
It's a freaking bomb attack. Frick you, whoever developed this.
It's going around the button. Killer!
It wants us to die. I'm just running. I know there's somewhere where it'll never get me. At the edge. Ooh, diamond. Shiny is miney. It just killed y'all. Did you die?
Yes. I died from all of that. Pressing the button.
I want to press it.
Oh boy.
Push it.
I'm pushing it.
Oh God, I'm going away. Bye.
Oh, I pushed the button.
Everyone died. Even this kid. Even the
cutest kid.
How many A's are in avocado? 2. You chose the correct answer. 10 points. And there's 2 A's in avocado. What if I picked 1 or 3? What would have happened? Would it kill me? Joe, boulders?
Na 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 boo boo. The boulders can't get me.
Oh, I just died from a tree.
I have it. I wasn't even dying. I literally just stayed in the side and I was okay. Oh.
Body boy has a sword.
Body boy.
Hey, sandwich eater.
Body swap.
You have to call me by my gamer name. Hey, sandwich eater.
Hey, Rather Milkman. Hey, you can't get your sword anymore.
Hey, the cake is a lie. Do I look funny?
I blew up. Oh,
dang.
We all died.
No one survived. I survived the game of Roblox.
Ah.
Okay. Watch out, idiots. Let the pro come in. What the? This is the... It's impossible.
It's just impossible. You only said that because I said that.
Alright, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I'm getting tired. It's 9:31 at night. I'm getting tired. I'm going to wrap up today's video. Alright, man. Stay cool. Stay safe. And watch my videos. Bye, guys. Wait. We're not ending today's video. Dang, PPPN.
Just right there.
Alright, so now I'm gonna end this video. Bye, guys. Make sure to stay safe. Oh, wait. Hold it. Let me put that away. There's something cool I need to do. So it's like an obby. This should be an epic minigame. Should do something like this. Shout out to the developer who made this game. I don't know his name, but shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Alright, since I can't make it, that's gonna wrap up today's video. And I hope you all have a Malkai, are you at the top?
Almost. I just got all the way back down.
Which one should I go through, left or right? Oh, they're the same. No.
I can draw.
Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap it up today's video.
Bye. Peace.
Bye, peace, have a good time.
No,
See you.
No, people just say peace.
See you and watch my videos. I'm going out. It's 9:33. Goodbye.